All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today was a little bit of a surprise. Didn't find out where I was working till like 8 p.m. last night. And even then, I don't even know if my boss told me where I was working. He just said, hey, text your coworker and get the address and whatnot. So anyways, I was working at a school today, a new school. So that was nice. I wasn't sure if it was going to be out in the rain. But anyways, as you can tell, the building is pretty much finished and they're kind of working on some of the final touches, at least on the first floor. So they're spraying some paint. Yeah, doing some paint. All the sheetrock's done on this floor. They're dropping in ceiling tiles, doing ceiling grid and all that stuff. But anyways, what I was working on today with one of my coworkers that I just met today, as there are several people at the company that I work for, what we were working on was pulling low voltage wire, I believe low voltage wire for the HVAC systems, which include a Cat 5 or Cat 6, which was yellow, and then these two wires, which one is blue and one is like white and red, white with a red stripe. I'm not sure what type of wire they are, the blue ones, the blue wire and the white and red wire. But some of these are for thermostats, I believe, and I think the other ones are maybe some kind of signal wire, or I don't know if it was part of controlled access or something like that, but there's some type of control wire. So they're basically for these heaters right here. So they get one white wire and one blue wire per device. And some of these are on the same circuit, so they are daisy chained. So basically starting at one unit, or starting from the panel, going to the first unit, and then tying together the second and third one, and sometimes a fourth one on one circuit. So anyways, just running wire through these J-hooks. There are two sets of J-hooks. One was already here. Both of them were already there, but one of them is for actual data and stuff, which I don't believe we did. But this was my first day at the job. But there's a second set of J-hooks, which you can see our yellow wire, our white wire, and our blue wires up there. It kind of just looks like a giant mess of wires if you don't know what you're looking at. But even if you do know what you're looking at, it's hard to identify sometimes what's what just because of the different colors of wires and whatnot. As you can see up here, we have some sleeves running through the wall, and so those are the wires that I worked on putting in today. So some of these wrap around, just going through the little J hooks again, and then going down the pipe sleeves. So if you're going into new buildings or whatnot, or new construction, most of the time they will be putting in little 90s to get outside of the sheetrock, as you can see now, so you can pull wire later. So you'll have these little 6-inch stubs with little preacher's collars on them to protect the wire from the sharp edges of the pipe, if there are any, and to pull your wire through them to get down to your boxes and stuff like that. So yeah, I think that pretty much wraps it up. So this is one of the thermostats, I believe, with the yellow wire, the Cat 5, and these are some really cool parts I've never seen before, which are magnetic little, I forgot the name of them, bridle rings. So there's some magnetic bridle rings, which are super cool, so you don't have to use a clamp or a drill or anything like that to tighten them down to like a steel beam or anything. You just stick it right on there, and it's super strong for several wires. It's not going to fall off anytime soon. Anyways, the title of this video is called this because you'll see here in a second. This is one of my old coworkers that I ran into today, which is super weird because I'm union and he's not union, but we're just happen to be on the same job site. Sometimes you'll have that, union guys and non-union guys on the same job site. So this is one of my oldest coworkers from like 2 or 3 companies ago, and we also worked at a second company together before. All right, everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want to help out the channel and also see more videos each day. Don't forget to check the description for anything else and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams if that's something you're interested in. But yeah, overall it was a really good day, super chill. And like I said, actually maybe I didn't say it yet, but yeah, after 4 years and 5 months, I ran into one of my old coworkers, actually two of my old coworkers, because I used to work at this company. But so I thought I was going to this job site today to do electrical work, and it turns out we're like a sub of a sub for the HVAC, which makes no sense, but we're running some low voltage cable or something. I don't even know. I think it's some type of control for the HVAC or something like that. So anyways, they're running a couple low voltage, 2 or 3 low voltage wires, like Cat 5, and other two conductors, I believe, a blue one and a white one. So anyways, I was gonna say super fun, but it wasn't super fun. It was a good day. It was super hot. They have like at least 4 or 5 heaters blowing in hot air from the outside, maybe on one side of the building, so they might have like another 4 on the other side of the building. I'm not sure, but it was like close to like 90 to 100 degrees in this place. It was ridiculous. It's like I'm always like never satisfied. I mean, clearly, but it's either freezing cold rain, working out in the rain, which is terrible, or on the other end, it's like 100 degrees and I'm also not happy. So there needs to be like a fine line, but there never is. So that's just one thing to maybe learn, just to be happy, but just to know that there's never really a good work situation, unless, yeah, I don't know. There may be some out there, but I've never really ran into too many awesome work situations. It's either too cold or too hot. But sometimes in the summer, it's nice when it's just right about 65 degrees, overcast. Those are my favorite days. But anyways, it was a good day. It was chill. Just working and pulling some wire with my coworker between the 2 rooms, or a bunch of rooms, just through sleeves and stuff like that. Typical low voltage work. So it was good, just super hot, and that pretty much wraps it up. Didn't really have too much for breakfast. I was getting a little bit lightheaded, and I also didn't get that much sleep because I was doing laundry till like midnight. So but anyways, this job site is just like 5 miles down the road from my house, and we got off of work early. Only worked 9 hours instead of 10 today. So I'm super happy about that. And yeah, I'm just in a really good mood. Shot some extra videos. So I got 2 extra videos that I'm going to be uploading here shortly. So stay tuned for that. Hopefully it doesn't overload you guys with videos for the day. But I didn't really upload a video on Friday unless you count 2 videos on Thursday. But I'm going to stop talking. Thanks guys for watching. Have an awesome rest of your day. God bless, and stay tuned for the next couple of videos. God bless. Peace out.